Tired of getting random friend requests on Discord? Whether you want to limit who can add you or completely stop friend requests, I'll show you how to adjust your settings. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app and tap You at the bottom right. Next, select Friends, then tap Friend Requests at the top. Now, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your friend request settings. Here, you'll see different options for who can send you a friend request. Everyone, if this is turned on, anyone can add you. Toggle it off to block random requests. Friends of friends. This allows people who are friends with your friends to add you. Turn this off if you want more privacy. Server members. If enabled, people in the same Discord servers as you can send requests. Turn this off to prevent that. Simply toggle off the options based on your preference and that's it. Now, only the people you allow will be able to send you friend requests. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.